Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on how to add social widgets to your Blogger blog. Social widgets are a great way to increase your blog's social media visibility and engagement. Today we'll show you how to add social widgets to the side menu and header of your blog. First, let's talk about why social widgets are important. Social media is a powerful tool to connect with your audience and promote your blog. By adding social widgets to your blog, you can encourage your readers to follow you on social media, which can lead to increased engagement, traffic, and ultimately, success. As we have started a blogger series on Blogger, it is another video of the series. If you are not following yet, do smash a subscribe button so we can connect with each other and you don't miss new videos. Now, let's get started on how to add social widgets to your Blogger blog. Log into your Blogger account and navigate to your blog's dashboard. Click on View Blog. We will add social media widgets here in header menu and side menu of our blog. Again, go to Dashboard. Click on the Layout tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Edit this social top section. These are social media widgets that will be shown at header menu. You have to edit them and have to add your social media links to connect your social accounts with blog. I already copied all my social media profile links in Notepad. So we'll open and copy it whatever I want to add. Edit the first one. Rename it. I want to add Pinterest, so we'll type Pinterest. Mind it, all the letters should be small. Now paste your Pinterest account URL in site URL section. Then click on Save. To link YouTube, again press Edit button. Title it in small letters, no capital letter. Now copy and paste the URL of your channel in URL section. Next, I will add my Instagram account, so we'll copy the URL of my account. And we'll paste in the site URL section. Finally, I want to add my LinkedIn account, so we'll copy the URL of my LinkedIn account. We'll edit it. We'll rename it as a LinkedIn. Then we'll paste the URL in URS site section. And we'll press Save. I want to add only 4, so we'll delete this last one. You can add more by pressing Add New Item. Now click on Save to update changes. Go to the preview of the blog and refresh it. Done. Our social media icons are shown on the top right of header section. You can check by opening them in a new tab. That's it, our Pinterest account is attached. Now we will edit this social plugin section in sidebar of the blog. And we'll add my social accounts. Again, go to Blogger dashboard. Scroll down and edit this social plugin in social widget section. Now edit this first link. Rename it with what you want to add. I will type Pinterest. Now copy and paste the URL of your Pinterest in site URL section. Then click on Save. Your account is added. Repeat the same steps to add the remaining accounts. I am speeding up the video to keep it short. Hope so you got it. I want to add only 4 icons. We'll delete remaining 2. You can also add more accounts. Click on Save to update changes. Now to see changes again, refresh the preview of the blog. That's it, our social icons are updated. You can see by opening a new tab these buttons are working or not. If you want to add any gadget, you can also add it. Click on Add a new gadget. If you want to show search button, click on Blog Search button. Click on Save. Refresh your blog to view changes. That's it, search bar is added. That is how you can further customize your blog. Now in final part of the video, I will show how you can add Facebook page to the side menu. Again, go to Dashboard. Click on Add a gadget. Select the HTML/JavaScript gadget. Title it Facebook. Now copy the code from Notepad. You can download this code from the link given in the description. Paste this code in place of content. Replace this page link with your own. It is link of my page, you can add yours. Just showing you. Mind it, paste link in these commas. Click on Save to update changes. Now refresh your blog again. Yes, page is linked to the blog. Anyone who visits can follow this page by clicking Follow Page. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add social widgets to your Blogger blog. Remember to choose social media platforms that are relevant to your blog's niche and audience, and don't overdo it with too many widgets. A few well-placed widgets can go a long way in promoting your blog and increasing engagement. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more blogging tips and tutorials.